Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. I'm John, by the way.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emily.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
That sounds nice. I'm heading to a business meeting in the city.
Do you travel often for work?
Yes, quite frequently. It can be tiring sometimes.
I can imagine. I prefer traveling for leisure.
What do you do for a living, Emily?
I'm a teacher. I love working with children. And what about you, John? What's your profession?
I work in finance. It's challenging but rewarding. Have you traveled by train before?
Yes, I find it relaxing and a great way to enjoy the scenery. Do you have any hobbies, John?
I enjoy playing the guitar and reading in my free time. How about you, Emily? What are your hobbies?
I love painting and hiking. They help me unwind. Do you have any siblings, John?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have a younger brother and an older sister.
What's your favorite travel destination, Emily?
I love visiting coastal towns and exploring their beautiful beaches. How about you, John? Where do you enjoy traveling?
I'm fascinated by historical cities and their architecture. Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to Europe next summer.
That sounds amazing. I hope you have a great time. Thank you, Emily. Maybe we can exchange travel tips sometime.
That would be great. It was nice talking to you, John.
Likewise, Emily. Have a safe journey and enjoy your visit.
Thank you, John. Take care and have a wonderful day.